Hi friends, this is Juliet Much. I decided to start a marathon of preparation for the Christmas holidays, and today we will create a bonbonniere in Victorian style. We will use crepe paper, toilet paper roll, lace, vintage picture and ribbons. First, we should cut two identical pieces of vanilla colored crepe paper to the size of the roll, and then use a glue gun to fix them on the one side of the roll and then on the other, like this. And I love upcycling because it's an opportunity to notice beauty in ordinary garbage and also care about the environment. So we will use toilet paper roll. So we fix vanilla paper, and then we measure the size of the red paper for the central part, like this. Cut off the excess paper with scissors, and of course then we should glue it. Yeah, like this. And it's very easy workshop, so you can make this class with your children and you can make a lot of beautiful things. Very simple and very easy. So after fixing red paper, we should tie bows on both sides, but first you can pour small candies in the middle or put a small surprise inside of this bonbonniere. It could be nice also. So we tie bows, and I choose also vanilla colored ribbon. I think it's nice. So easy and beautiful. Cut off the extra ribbon. Do the same. Repeat all manipulation. Voila. Almost done, but after we should add texture using a golden cloth in the center of our decoration. I think it's nice. So we cut a ribbon like this and fix with glue gun. And on the top we fix a vintage image of an angel with glue, and we should fix its wings with glue also. And I would like to make this decoration more beautiful. That is why I choose the golden lace, and I cut two pieces and glue it to the edges of the bonbonnieres, like this. Yeah. So you can make collection with different colors, but red and gold, you know, it's classic for Christmas. Then we straighten the edges and can add a tree to hang on the Christmas tree. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. See you soon. Your Juliet Much.